So in this topic we are going to discuss about reproductive system, about male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system is mainly used to produce androgens, the hormones such as testosterone, which maintains the male reproductive function, and it also promotes spermatogenesis and transport it to the female reproductive system for fertilization. So the major function of the male reproductive system is sperm production and storage. The sperm will get produced and it will get stored, and hormone synthesis such as testosterone and inhibin hormones are produced, and for reproduction the sperm will get delivered. So these are the major functions of the male reproductive system, and components of the male reproductive system are which has been divided into three types: primary organs, accessory structures, and external genitalia. So the primary organs are testes, which produce spermatogenesis, and the next thing is accessory structures. It is epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate glands, bulbourethral glands, and external genitalia is scrotum and penis. So location, the scrotum, which is suspended by a spermatic cord, which is optimal for the spermatogenesis. It size is about, it length is about 4 to 5 centimeter long and 2.5 to 3 centimeter wide, and it weighs about 20 to 25 grams. So three types of the structure is being divided into three types, mainly tunica vaginalis, tunica albuginea, and seminiferous tubules. So tunica vaginalis is a serous covering which reduces the friction, and tunica albuginea is which will be like a fibrous capsule which forms a septa dividing the testis into lobules. And the next thing is seminiferous tubules, which is the site of sperm production. So at that site only the sperm will get produced. And the anatomical relations is nothing but it is adjacent to the epididymis and spermatic cord. And the physiology of the testis is nothing but it produces the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is nothing but stem cells, which produces the sperms into the tube, and the seminiferous tubules, which occurs in the spermatogenesis, which is supported by the Sertoli cells. So this cells which regulates for the production of follicular stimulating hormone and testosterone hormones. So follicular stimulating hormones are produced by the Sertoli cells, and testosterone hormones are produced by the Leydig cells. And the hormone production is nothing but testosterone, which produces, and the Leydig cells produces the testosterone, and inhibin which is produced by the Sertoli cells, which regulates the spermatogenesis. And the anatomy of the epididymis and vas deferens is nothing but epididymis structure will be in a, it will be like a coiled, it will be like a coiled tube structure, which is divided into head, body, and tail. It is located posterior to the testis within the scrotum, and anatomical relation is nothing but it is connected to the rete testis and to the vas deferens. Next, the vas deferens. Its structure will be like a muscular tube, which is about 45 centimeter thick, and it is made up of smooth muscles known as peristalsis. And from epididymis, a tail will get connected through a canal, which. And the next, coming to the point of a prostate gland, its location is inferior to the bladder, and its size is about 3 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide, and it weighs about 20 to 30 grams, which is about a walnut shape. The structure will be like three zones are there: peripheral zone, central zone, and transitional zone. And four lobes are there: anterior lobe, posterior lobe, lateral lobe, and medial lobe. It is surrounded by a capsule. The capsule will be like a fibrous capsule, and a gland is produced, prostate gland. And anatomical relations are nothing but a rectum, bladder, and seminal vesicles. And the next thing is physiology functions. So it secretes about 20 to 30% of seminal fluid, and it neutralizes the acidic vaginal environment, which aids the sperm motility. So it's nothing but it produces it saves the sperm while the while the female reproductive organ vagina, its environment will be like a little acidic. So on the acidic time, so when their sperm gets ejected into the female genitalia through the vagina, so because of that acidity, the sperm death agama irukradhukku it neutralizes the acid environment. So regulation is nothing but a testosterone, and it stimulates for growth hormone, and autonomic innervations are sympathetic for secretion and parasympathetic for relaxation has been done. And accessory organ is nothing but seminal vesicles, bulbourethral glands, and major thing is the external genitalia. External genitalia is a penis. So penis structure, it has been divided into root, body, and glands. So tissue, there are two types of tissues are there, corpora cavernosa and corpora cavernosa, and one corpus spongiosum has been used as the erectile tissue, and urethra conducts the semen through the urine, semen or urine, while through the penis. And physiology is nothing but erection function. For erection, parasympathetic stimulation has been stimulated, and for ejaculation, sympathetic stimulation has been it gets function. And blood supply is nothing but testicular arteries will supply the blood to the penis. So this is how the blood